Okay. Take off the pump, he says. It'll be easy, he says. Just take off 4 bolts, he says. Well, there's 4 bolts down there off. Now this shaft is turning and then it stops. This here is connected to the... I can hear things rattling around in there, but this isn't coming off. It's not coming out of there. I don't know if it's pressure. Got to use a big bolt or something, or a big screwdriver or what. But now it's locked. So it hit something in there. But taking this, oh, there we go. All may not be lost. This here is the shaft that goes in and turns to everything. And that's stuck. And if I keep moving it, wiggling it back and forth, if I could get this off, there, you know, anybody's got any ideas on how to finish removing that would be great. Because that there goes to my air pump, and that needs to come off. We've got to get these 4 bolts off next. And my son discovered that there's a bolt underneath there, so I gotta get a socket for that. It's not gonna be quite as easy as instructed. But I'm determined to get inside here and see what's happened to that piston or whatever, because it moves a little bit this way, and then after I move that, see, that moves a little bit, but so maybe it's salvageable if I can get into it. I don't know. But I need to get at that shaft right there, and I don't understand why it won't come out. There's no bolts holding it on anymore. And I thought it would just slide out of there, but